here in Elgin at one of our most recent projects, and I'm gonna show you how we got over 12 showings and offer over asking price on only the second day on market. No matter the price point, you cannot overlook the details in this room. Behind me, this fireplace looked nothing like it does now, where we custom built the mantle, the surround, the tile inlay on the floor and around the fireplace. We've got a nice transition from the floor to the tile with actual finished transition pieces. And speaking of the floor, it's a high performance, very durable, 12 mil water resistant flooring. We've got custom lighting behind me. Even an upgrade that's often overlooked is the outlets and the switches, where in this case, we went with Decor outlets and switches. Let me bring you into the kitchen and show you what we did there. Here we added LED recessed can lighting, 36-inch upper upgraded cabinet doors with crown molding. We've got a nice quartz countertops that ties in perfectly with the gray subway tile backsplash and the white shaker cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and of course, custom lighting in the breakfast area. Upstairs in the shared master bath, we redid all the tile with a waterfall inlay, quartz countertops, and custom lighting. You can see behind me, guys are doing a full tear off on the roof, where we're replacing the skylight and a new roof on the shed. No detail was overlooked on this property, which is how we got 12 showings and an offer for full asking in 2 days on market. If you're interested in partnering with us or seeing how we can work together in 2019, reach out. I'm Steve Budzik with iCandy Realty, and we'll see you on the next one.